Welcome. If you want to change the date and the time settings on your PlayStation 5, at first you have to grab your controller and move for the right upper corner when we can find the settings. Next, we have to go right here for the system settings. Right now scroll down and enter date and the time. And here, for example, we can adjust daily saving automatically, right? By tapping right here on the switcher. We can turn it off and turn it on by clicking simply X. We can also set the time zone. So here we can pick up one of the options. I will stay with this one default. And also we can change this date and time settings manually, right? So when you click here, you can just click X, and then with the arrows you can change the day, month and year. Also the same for the hours and the minutes. But of course I'm going to stay with the current date and the time. And here you can also use it by setting as an internet time. So click here, then tap on the switcher to turn it on automatically. You can also turn it off if you want to set manually. And you can click to set it now, and it's done. And here we can also change, for example, the date format. We are currently on the day, month and the year, but we can switch for the month, day and the year, or the year, month and the day. So you have to decide what you want to get. And after changing the settings, you can just simply go back. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.